Hello. A bullish week for energy prices as geopolitical tensions escalate. So let's take a look at the week's actions in some more detail. Market participants continued to assess the impact of the winter storm in the US on crude output on Monday, and front-month Brent closed down $0.24 per barrel day on day. It was then reported that the impact of the winter storm resulted in a drop in production of up to 2 million barrels per day, which is equivalent to 15% of national production. As a result, Brent rose on Tuesday, gaining $0.82 per barrel. Brent then jumped $1.8 on Wednesday as geopolitical tensions escalated, with the possibility of strikes on Iran by the US growing. The bulls took charge again on Thursday and Brent gained $2.52 per barrel as market participants focused on the likely supply disruptions should the US decide to attack Iran. Last night, front-month Brent closed at $70.65 per barrel, which is up $4.9 compared to last Friday. Curve contracts fell on Monday despite a bullish start to the day. Summer 26 lost 2 pence per therm, whilst winter 26 lost 1.6 pence per therm. Most curve contracts eased on Tuesday after the recent bull run. However, EU storage was reported at 44% fullness, which at the lowest level since 2022 means higher injections during the summer months will be needed. Near-term contracts then fell on Wednesday with an improved outlook for LNG supplies. Curve contracts, on the other hand, rose over concerns about the heightened requirement for injections into storage over the summer. All contracts made noticeable gains on Thursday, with geopolitical tensions pressuring prices higher. Summer 26 gained 4.2 pence per therm, whilst winter 26 gained 3.9 pence per therm. Last night, all contracts closed higher compared to last Friday, gaining between 2 and almost 5%. Most contracts eased on Monday, tracking the weakness seen in both gas and carbon prices. A full capacity outage at Heysham 2 Reactor 8 was scheduled to end on Monday, which increased supply forecasts. Prompt and near-term contracts rose on Tuesday, fuelled by a reduction in wind generation, whilst curve contracts eased, taking direction from gas. Prices mirrored the movements of gas on Wednesday, with near-term contracts easing and longer-dated contracts posting gains. All contracts rose on Thursday, once again tracking the movements of the wider energy complex. So last night, most contracts closed higher compared to last Friday. You can download the full version of this market report from our website. Thank you for watching. See you next week.